Hello friends! Today we're going to talk about one of the most reputable and reliable cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken. This platform has been operating for over 10 years and is rightly considered one of the safest in the industry. It is chosen by both beginners and experienced traders. Here you will find hundreds of cryptocurrencies, futures, staking, fiat currency support, and API trading. In this video, I will detail how to create an account on Kraken, complete verification, deposit funds, start trading on the spot and futures markets, and earn passive income through staking. Additionally, you will learn about the bonuses awaiting new users. By registering through our partner link and making a first deposit of $100 or more, you will receive $25 in Bitcoin and other nice perks. If you are looking for a reliable, convenient, and legal platform for cryptocurrency trading, this video will definitely be helpful. About Kraken. Kraken is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it is a benchmark of reliability and security in the digital assets industry. Founded in 2011 in San Francisco, it became one of the first platforms to gain global recognition. The exchange is regulated in the USA, Canada, the UK, European Union countries, and Japan, making it one of the few legal and fully compliant platforms in the global market. Today, Kraken serves over 10 million users from more than 190 countries, supporting over 200 cryptocurrencies and dozens of fiat currencies, from dollars to yen. The platform is known for its impeccable reputation. Throughout its operation, there has not been a single major hack, and over 95% of customer funds are stored in cold wallets. What Kraken offers: spot trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with low fees, futures, trading with leverage up to 50x for advanced traders, margin trading, the ability to use borrowed funds, staking, earning up to 20% annually on popular assets, ETH, DOT, ADA, SOL, etc. NFT marketplace for collectors and investors, Kraken Pro and API, tools for professional and algorithmic trading. Kraken features an intuitive interface and 24/7 support. It is trusted not only by retail traders, but also by large institutional players, banks, funds, and crypto companies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This helps YouTube's algorithms promote our content. And in the description, you will find useful links and bonuses. Registration on Kraken, step by step. Getting started with the Kraken exchange is a breeze. Registration takes just a couple of minutes and is available both on the computer and through the Kraken app mobile application. How to create an account. Click the partner link in the description. It will activate the $25 bonus in BTC and reduced fees. Enter your email, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm your agreement with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email. You will receive a message with a code. Enter it on the Kraken website. After confirmation, you will access your personal account and can install the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA. To protect your account, enable 2FA immediately after logging in. This adds an extra layer of security that requires a one-time code when logging in and withdrawing funds. How to enable 2FA? Go to your profile. Security, two-factor authentication, enable protection for logins and withdrawals, install Google Authenticator. Scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit code. Be sure to save the backup key. It will help you regain access if you lose your phone. Done. Now, your account is securely protected. Verification on Kraken. Since Kraken is a licensed and regulated exchange, you need to verify your identity for full access to its features. Verification levels: basic. Trade cryptocurrency without fiat. Intermediate. Access to banking operations, futures, and staking. Professional. Expanded limits and features for large traders. How to complete verification. Open the verification section in your personal account. Select your country and type of document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. Provide your residential address. Confirm your application. The verification usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. After approval, you will receive a verified status allowing you to deposit and withdraw fiat, trade with leverage, participate in staking and bonus promotions. In the description below the video, you will find a complete list of top exchanges, wallets, and services with exclusive discounts and bonuses. Funding your account on Kraken. How and what to fund with. After registration and verification, you can fund your balance. Kraken supports cryptocurrency and fiat deposits through banks, cards, and exchanges. The process is simple and secure. Method 1. Funding with cryptocurrency. Open assets. Deposit and select a coin, like USDT or BTC. Choose the transfer network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the deposit address, paste it into your wallet or another exchange, and send the funds. Funds typically arrive within a couple of minutes. Recommendation: use TRC20 for fast transfers with low fees. Method 2. Funding with fiat via bank. After verification, open deposit. Fiat currencies. Select your currency and method, SEPA. For the European Union, SWIFT, or bank transfer. The system will show Kraken's banking details. Transfer the funds from your account. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days. Kraken typically does not charge a deposit fee, but your bank may charge for international transfers. Method 3. Funding with a bank card. In some countries, instant deposits with Visa or MasterCard are available. The fees are higher, but funds are credited instantly, convenient for urgent cryptocurrency purchases. Method 4. Funding through online exchange. If bank transfers are unavailable, use a reliable exchange service. Choose your payment method, card, bank, and what you want to receive. For example, USDT, TRC20. Specify the amount and your Kraken deposit address, make the payment, and wait for confirmation. Funds usually arrive within a few minutes. This method is convenient for countries with restrictions on direct deposits. After funding, the funds are immediately available for trading, purchasing coins, or staking. Withdrawing funds from Kraken. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat. This process is similar to funding, so let's go through the steps briefly. Withdrawing cryptocurrency. Open assets. Withdraw, select the coin and network. Paste the recipient's address and specify the amount. Confirm the operation with the code from your email or via 2FA. Funds usually arrive within a few minutes. Important. Ensure the withdrawal network matches the recipient wallet's network to avoid losing funds. Withdrawing fiat to a bank account. This requires verification. Go to Assets. Withdraw, fiat, select your currency, and transfer method: SEPA, SWIFT, or standard bank transfer. Specify the amount and confirm. Deposits typically take 1-3 business days. Withdrawing through an exchange. If direct bank withdrawals are unavailable, you can use exchange services like BestChange. Choose what you're sending, for example, USDT, TRC20, and what you want to receive to card or e-wallet. Transfer the crypto to the exchange address and receive fiat. Trading on Kraken. Kraken offers two main trading modes, spot market and futures. The platform's interface is intuitive, so even beginners will quickly get the hang of it. Spot trading, simple and reliable. This is the classic buying and selling of cryptocurrency at the current market price. How to start? Go to the trade section, spot. Select a trading pair, for example, BTC, USDT. Specify the order type, market order, instant execution at the current price. Limit order. You set the price for buying or selling. Enter the amount and click buy. After executing the trade, the asset will appear in your spot balance. You can withdraw, exchange, or use it for staking. Futures. For advanced traders. Futures trading allows you to use leverage, up to 50x, and profit from both rising and falling markets. How to trade? Futures. Go to the futures section. Select a trading pair, for example, ETH USDT. Set the leverage, choose the order type, and open a position. Be sure to set a stop loss and take profit. This will help manage risks. Tip: beginners should start with low leverage, not higher than 3 to 5. Kraken Pro for those who want more. If you need advanced charts, market depth, complex orders, and maximum control, switch to Kraken Pro. This is the professional interface for active trading and algorithmic trading. Want to learn how to invest and trade wisely? Join our Telegram channel. We explain complex concepts in simple terms. The link is in the description below the video. Staking and passive income on Kraken. If you don't want to trade actively but want your cryptocurrency to work for you, Kraken offers a convenient way to earn passively through staking. Which coins can you stake? The platform offers dozens of popular assets, including ETH, DOT, ADA, SOL, ATOM, Algo, and many others. The yield depends on the coin and averages between 3 to 20% annually. How to start staking? Go to the Earn section on the top panel of the website. Select a coin from the available list. Specify the amount and click Stake. From that moment, your funds will start earning regular rewards, typically credited every few days. Types of staking. Flexible. You can withdraw coins at any time. Fixed. Assets are locked for a certain period, but the yield is higher. Kraken automatically credits rewards to your account, and you can track your income statistics in the Earn section. This is an excellent way to earn stable income from crypto without active trading and the risk of liquidation. Still have questions? Join our private referral chat. There we answer all questions and help you understand everything. The link is in the description below the video. Security on Kraken. Bank level reliability. Kraken is rightfully considered one of the most secure cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With over a decade of operation, the platform has not experienced any serious hacks, and its security architecture meets banking standards. Key security measures. Cold storage of assets. Over 95% of user funds are held in offline wallets, completely isolated from the internet. This eliminates the risk of remote hacking. Data encryption. All information transmission, including personal data and transactions, is conducted through secure protocols, preventing interception and leakage. Regular audits and licenses. Kraken undergoes independent audits and operates under the oversight of financial regulators in the USA, Canada, the UK, the European Union, and Japan, confirming its legality and transparency. Master key. This is a separate security key used for account recovery and changing critical settings, an additional layer of account protection. Notification system. The exchange sends alerts about logins, activities, and withdrawals, enabling prompt responses to any suspicious events. Thanks to this approach, Kraken consistently ranks among the most reliable and respected cryptocurrency exchanges globally, trusted by both retail traders and institutional investors. Kraken mobile apps, convenient and functional. Kraken offers two mobile applications, Kraken and Kraken Pro, available in the App Store and Google Play. The interface is fully optimized for smartphones, making trading as comfortable as possible. Kraken app for beginners. A simple and intuitive app, ideally suited for those just starting. Quick buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Checking balances and transaction history. Depositing and withdrawing funds. Tracking prices and market dynamics. Kraken Pro for experienced traders. A professional tool with advanced capabilities, advanced charts and technical indicators, flexible order and leverage settings, viewing order books and transaction history. Instant switching between spot and futures trading. Both apps synchronize with your account. Any actions performed on your smartphone are immediately reflected in the web version. 24/7 support. Kraken's customer support operates around the clock. You can contact them through the online chat on the website or via the built-in help section in the app. Responses are quick and detailed. Bonuses and referral program on Kraken. Kraken generously rewards new users and those who invite friends to the platform. By registering through our partner link, you will receive $25 in Bitcoin after your first deposit of $100. A discount on trading fees will also be automatically activated. You can further increase the discount by boosting your trading volume. Referral program Kraken allows you to earn from referrals. You receive a percentage of the commissions from those who registered using your link. How it works. Go to the invite friends section in your personal account. Copy your referral link, send it to your friends, or share it on social media. When they start trading, you earn a portion of their commissions as a reward. This is a simple way to generate passive income just by sharing a link. Kraken regularly launches temporary bonus campaigns. New users can receive additional perks. All current offers are published on the homepage and in the promotions section. If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to the channel yet, now is the perfect time. All links to our Telegram channel, top exchanges, and wallets can be found in the description below the video. Let's summarize why Kraken is a trusted choice. Kraken is not just a cryptocurrency exchange. It is a complete ecosystem for trading, investing, and passive income. With over 10 years of operation, it has established itself as one of the most reliable, secure, and user-friendly platforms in the world. What makes Kraken special? Bank-level security, cold storage, encryption, licenses. Spot and futures trading with flexible orders and leverage, Kraken Pro, an advanced interface for professionals, staking with yields up to 20% annually, support for fiat end users from over 190 countries, 24/7 customer support, and transparent operating conditions. If you're looking for a platform with an impeccable reputation, licenses, and extensive features, Kraken is definitely worth your attention. To start with a bonus, follow the link in the description, register using our partner link, and receive $25 in BTC, plus a discount on fees. Trade, grow, and earn safely together with Kraken. See you in the next videos and in our Telegram.